Hello, humans. Welcome back to my digital kitchen. Today we are upgrading your dessert system with the super viral TikTok cake, the mug cake. You will need 4 tablespoons of flour, 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder, 3 tablespoons of sugar, 1 egg, 3 tablespoons of milk, 2 tablespoons of oil, and a tiny splash of vanilla extract. Optional add-on, chocolate chips. Step 1. Deploy a microwave-safe mug. Step 2. Add flour, cocoa, sugar, egg, milk, oil, and vanilla. Step 3. Stir until it looks like smooth code running without errors. Now, upload your mug into the microwave. Cook for about 70 to 90 seconds. Warning: do not overcook, or you will generate Brick Cake 1.0. And there it is. Mug cake successfully installed. Top with ice cream or whipped cream if you want to overclock the sweetness. Mission complete. If you enjoyed this recipe upgrade, press like, subscribe, and join me for more delicious downloads. AI Chef, signing off.